Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my lace frontal wig making series. All the hair that I purchased is from the beauty supply store, and I constructed this beautiful wig using nothing but beauty supply hair. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first we're just gonna clip out the frontal hair because we don't want this in the way while we're gluing our tracks in the back. And my cap, the video on the right is me with my bundles in the back. That's why my cap looked like this because I had bundles glued to the back, but I decided to take my bundles out and use it for a different tutorial and use this hair right here that I also bought from the beauty supply store. It is YAKI hair. It was only $15 I believe. So yeah, I just exchanged my bundles for pack hair because I wanted to do a bob. Now here guys, I'm just gluing my tracks on the cap. Nothing special, just me gluing my tracks all the way up until I get to the top. Also guys, you don't have to use this YAKI hair. You can get whatever hair from the beauty supply store that you want to use, or the hair that matches your frontal. The reason I took my bundles out is because my bundles was too long and you can really see the difference in the frontal. Also, my frontal is like a jet black and my bundles is like a 1B, and I didn't feel like doing all that coloring, so I decided to do this the easier way, and the hair that I bought comes in a jet black already. So after I finished gluing up my tracks, there go my son, you guys. Say hi. Couldn't be great without him. But anyways, I got this cap here and I'm just gonna put it on my head. And I'm just gonna proceed to lay my cap down. Okay, you guys, so once we got our cap on nice and snug, we're gonna go ahead and apply the makeup to your cap to blend into your skin. Now I use a powder that I used to set my concealer in, and it was just too light, so I went back in with a foundation powder that matches my skin tone perfectly right here, and it's showing up darker and you can really tell the difference. So that matches well with my skin tone. We're gonna rock with that. Alright guys, so now that we have got our cap on with the correct shade, I had went in with some I went in with some spritz, and I sprayed around my hairline, and then I had cut off my ears. Guys, I'm sorry, my camera had stopped recording. I didn't even know. I had too much memory, so it stopped recording. So that's all I did. I just sprayed my hairline with spritz, and then I let it dry. I used my blow dryer to dry it on the cool, and then I'm just going in cutting off the excess hair, excess cap that we don't need. And the spots that's coming up right here, I just go in with some more spritz, and I'm just going in with the blow dryer like so, and I'm just gonna dry it, making sure that it's completely dry before we move on to the next step. Now I'm just gonna take some more of that foundation setting powder I used before, and I'm just gonna take it and put it on the areas that looks a little bit light. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with some 91% alcohol, or you can use Sea Breeze, and just clean up around my hairline wherever the makeup may have been on my face or my forehead. I'm just making sure that it's nice and clean. Now I'm going to take my wig and I'm just going to pretty much line it up with my hairline, and I'm trying to see if I need to cut some more of the cap off, or if it lines up perfectly, and it ended up lining up perfectly, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. But at this point, if you do need to cut some of the cap off, you can do it at this point before we actually start melting the cap into my skin, and it lines up perfectly. So we're just gonna go ahead to the next step. Taking my ghost bun glue that I also got from the beauty supply store, it was like $20 if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna put this on my hairline, and I'm just gonna melt that cap into my skin. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're moving quickly and also that you're making that first layer very thin. You don't want a thick layer on your hairline, because you can see it through the lace, and it'll take forever to dry, and when it dry, it's not a guarantee that all of it's gonna dry clear. So you make sure that it's a nice thin layer, and if you have to go back and add like 2-3 layers, then that's totally fine. You just want to make sure that your layers are nice and thin. It's easier to dry, and it'll dry clear. Also, another tip, I recommend doing like a skin patch test using the lace frontal glue, because I know some people are allergic to the glue, or their skin gets irritable. So do a patch test and leave it on for like 10 to 20 minutes, and if your skin starts to get irritable, I would suggest you start using some lace skin protectant before you start using the glue. All right, so now that our glue is dry, we're gonna go ahead and cut off the excess cap that we applied before. And then I'm gonna go in with a light layer of some Got2b freeze spray. And then I'm going to start laying down my frontal wig. Okay guys, when you land your lace frontal wig or closure, whatever it is that have a lace, you want to make sure that when you're applying your lace, you don't dab it in, you don't smash it in. You just want to place it on top of the glue, and use like the end of your rat tail comb, preferably a metal tip comb, and you just want to use that to lay the lace into your skin. You don't want to press it in, because it's going to leave like a white residue. It's going to look sticky and tacky, and it's not cute. So use the end of a rat tail comb or the teeth of a rat tail comb and just press it into your skin lightly. Alright guys, now I'm just going to be doing some last touches. I'm going to be flat ironing. I am going to be using a hot comb to lay my lace down. I'm going to be cutting a bob. I'm just going to be doing a lot of stuff for the next couple of minutes. So I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, now I'm just going to take my little headband off. Now in video number 1 of my lace frontal wig making series, I had already molded my baby hair, so me brushing or combing my hair into place is pretty much easy at this point. I don't have to do a lot here. And for those of you who haven't seen part 1 of my lace frontal wig making series. I will leave a link to that video in the description bar below. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the finished look right here. Again, this is all beauty supply hair that I purchased. My lace frontal was $50 and the packet of hair was $15. So I think that's pretty good. I got this nice hairstyle for less than $100. I'm pretty impressed with the outcome of this wig that I made. Yeah, so you guys don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you can get daily alerts or when I post new videos. And that's about it, guys. Hope you like this tutorial, and until my next video, I will see you next time. Okay, so I let this sit on here for like 10 minutes, and then we're just gonna go ahead and get these baby hairs together. We're just gonna go ahead and just comb them into place, but it's pretty much easy because we already molded them at the beginning of the video. So all we gotta do is just brush them into place. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna do some more finishing touches to my my wig, but I am liking the way it's looking so far. Look at that. Yes, hunty. Yes. And I mimicked my hairline and it came out pretty good, guys. But anyway, this is pretty much the finished product, guys. This is my wig that I made from Beauty Supply Hair. I spent no more than $100 making this wig, y'all. Okay. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I am trying to build my YouTube channel, and I would like for you guys to be a part of the movement. So look at my son, y'all. I had to put that on there. He is so adorable. All right, you guys, so till next time, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. You guys be safe out there. Bye.